Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to get an Instagram verification so you can get that blue check on your profile and show your authenticity. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone because all verification options are managed directly within the app. Step 2, tap your profile icon in the bottom right. This takes you to your main profile where all account settings are located. Step 3, tap the 3 lines in the top right. This opens the menu where Instagram keeps important account tools. Step 4, tap Account Center. This section manages all your connected accounts and verification options. Step 5, scroll down to find Meta Verified. This is Instagram's official subscription service for verified accounts. Step 6, tap Meta Verified and then tap Explore. Meta Verified plans, this shows all the available verification options and benefits. Step 7, review the different badge options and choose the one you want. This allows you to select the verification plan that fits your profile. Step 8, tap Get Business Premium or the chosen plan. This starts the enrollment process for the selected verification option. Step 9, tap Continue to begin the payment process. This confirms your plan selection and moves you to payment. Step 10, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. Once done, your account will receive the verified badge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more Instagram tips and guides.